is a very concerned citizen of Prince George's County who has gathered, probably more background than the average person. The thing that worries me about the Maglev right now is the uncertainty. There's really not a lot of specific information being disseminated. I've read a lot about it, and I've been to one information meeting. The meeting was an anti-meeting that was being put together by people who had thought this is the routes that we're going to go through established areas like Louis, and those people are continuing their efforts to stop the Maglev altogether. But we also had a representative from the Maglev project come and speak, and he was obviously very pro-Maglev. I have to say, I walked away from that meeting completely against the Maglev, and part of the reason was just because I did not feel enough was being done to educate the public and to include the public in the process. We talked quite a bit about the different takes of our local politicians. A lot of our local politicians, those that represent us in the state legislature from PG County, are very much opposed to the Maglev. The national representatives, it seems, has not yet taken a stand, and perhaps they have not taken a stand because they themselves do not have enough detail and information. And who would at this point? So my own fear is this project, like so many things we're seeing in this country these days, is going to be steamrolled through at the behest of the very rich, and that the average citizen is not going to have enough time in this process to voice their concerns and really be educated about their concerns. I do believe the two routes that are being proposed both would impact our relatively small neighborhood in an unincorporated part of PG County. I say that because I think that if you're unincorporated, you're not part of a city government. A lot of the city governments are taking pretty hard stands. Greenbelt, Laurel, Anderson, just voted against it. If you live in an unincorporated area, you're kind of susceptible. Kingswood is just starting, our local neighborhood association is just starting to, I think they're about where I am in terms of understanding and information. But I think one of the things we do know is that both routes now being considered are going to go under our neighborhood. And what impact that would have, I mean, if you walk through our neighborhood, just maintaining the sidewalks and the roads is a huge, huge undertaking. It's a very small neighborhood, but it's a very established neighborhood. There are a lot of people, first-time home buyers in our neighborhood, and there's so much uncertainty with what it could do.